Today we're kicking things off with a fun and easy stitch called the Griddle Stitch. If you haven't already, go ahead and grab your printable download so that you can follow along with me step by step. So the Griddle Stitch is a simple yet textured stitch that's created by alternating single crochets and double crochets across each row. So it creates a lovely pebble texture that's both dense and soft, making it perfect for dishcloths, scarves, blankets, or anything where you want a little extra texture without getting too fancy. So it's beginner friendly, but it actually looks like it's very impressive. Like, people will be really impressed with it. So let's go ahead and grab our hooks and yarn and get ready. In order to show you how to make this, I'm going to be using a 6mm crochet hook, some velvet yarn needle, and some yarn scissors. This stitch does need to be worked in a multiple of 2 plus 1, so we're going to chain 21 for this swatch. Now the downloadables will have patterns to blanket, so make sure to get those downloadables so that you have extra patterns. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started by chaining 21. Now I am using some velvet yarn, but you can use any yarn and any size hook that you want. I'm just using it to show you how beautiful this stitch can work out, especially on velvet yarn. So go ahead and chain the 21. Okay, so after you get that chain done, we're going to single crochet into the second chain from our hook. Not this first one, but the second one. So insert your hook into that second chain, yarn over, pull through the chain, yarn over, and pull through both loops on the hook. Okay, so now let's go ahead and place a double crochet into the next chain. So yarn over, insert your hook into the chain, yarn over, pull through the chain, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through the last 2 loops on your hook. And then we're just going to repeat this pattern all across the chain. So in the next chain, place a single. In the next chain, place a double. Now just keep alternating, so place a single. In the next chain, place a double. Now I do move along fairly quickly. In the next chain, place a single. In the next chain, place a double. So if you need me to slow down in my videos, let me know. Place a single. Okay, so what I'm going to let you do is finish off this chain since we're just alternating and it's pretty simple, and then I'll meet you back here to show you how to move on to the next row. All right, now that you've finished your first row, double check and make sure you ended with a double crochet. That's super important. So here's the trick to the griddle stitch. You always want to end each row with a double crochet and start the next row with a single crochet. And that's because the magic of this stitch comes from the way the single and the double crochet stack on top of each other. So the single crochet goes on top of the double and the double goes on top of the single. And that's what creates the beautiful alternating texture that we're going for. So just keep that rhythm in mind as we move on. Single on double, double on single, and your griddle stitch will turn out perfectly. Okay, so to get to the next row, you need to chain 1. So always chain 1, turn your work around, and we're going to work a single crochet on top of the double. Okay, in the next stitch, we're going to place a double crochet. And again, just remember that this double crochet will go on top of the single. Good. So in the next stitch, place a single crochet. In the next stitch, place a double. In the next stitch, place a single, and then a double, and then another single. Now go ahead and keep doing this all the way down the row, and remember it just repeats, and place the double on top of the single on top of the double. Now I'm going to do a few rows and I'm going to come back and show you how to change colors. Okay, so before I show you how to change color, I just wanted to let you know that I will leave a link on how to get this yarn below this video. So just in case you wanted to know where I got this yarn. All right, let's talk about how to change color. So first of all, I am alternating yarn colors every 3rd row. I don't finish the very last double crochet of the row the usual way. Instead, I stop when I have just 2 loops left on my hook. And that's what you're seeing here. These 2 loops are from the last double crochet I just made. Now I'm going to bring in my new color by simply pulling it through those last 2 loops, and then make sure to pull the tail end of those 2 loops, and that will tighten the new color in. So then all you need to do now is chain 1, and then place a single crochet on top of that double crochet. So I'm just tightening it a little bit more to make sure it's secure. Find that first stitch and then just place a single crochet. Perfect. Now the next one, place a double. The next one, place a single. Place a double. Now if for some reason you're confused about how to change colors, I will put a link on how to change colors in my post below, so that way you can click on that video and it should take you to YouTube and it will teach you how to change colors. Another thing that you'll need to do is weave in your yarn ends. So I will leave another video on how to weave in the yarn ends, okay? So that way you know how to do that. Okay, so go ahead and just finish this up. And that is it. That is it for the stitch of the month. I hope this video was great for you guys. Let me know if there are some stitches that you want to see in the future, and I will try to get those up. So thanks guys, and have a great day.